How do birds understand alarm calls across species? Imagine hearing a sudden sharp chirp from a bird you've never seen before. Do you know it's a warning or just a call for fun? Birds often respond to alarm calls from other species, and understanding how they do this is fascinating. It all comes down to a mix of instinct and learning. Some alarm calls share common features like high peak frequencies or quick changes in pitch. Birds are naturally tuned to recognize these sounds as signals of danger, even if they have never heard that specific call before. This innate ability helps them react fast to new threats. But it's not just about instinct. Birds also learn from experience which sounds mean danger. If they hear a call from another species and see a predator nearby, they quickly associate that call with a threat. Over time, they remember these sounds and respond more confidently. For example, if a bird hears a hawk alarm call from a different species and then sees a hawk flying overhead, it learns that this call is a reliable warning. This learning process makes their responses more accurate and helps them stay safe in busy mixed-species communities. Environmental noise can make it harder for birds to hear alarm calls, especially those from other species. Loud background sounds like wind or other animals can mask these signals. Birds tend to be better at recognizing calls from their own kind because they hear them more often and are more familiar with their specific sounds. Interestingly, some species that share the same habitat and face the same predators have alarm calls with similar features. This overlap might come from shared evolutionary roots, making it easier for even young or inexperienced birds to understand these warnings. From a bird's point of view, recognizing alarm calls across species is about picking out key sound features that indicate danger. They learn which calls to trust and respond to quickly, broadening their warning system beyond just their own species. When they hear unfamiliar alarm calls that sound similar to their own, they often react as if they are real threats. Repeated exposure helps them get better at distinguishing true alarms from false ones. They also adjust their reactions based on how reliable each call seems, which keeps them safe in complex environments full of different bird species and predators. So, birds understand alarm calls across species through a combination of instinctive recognition of certain sound features and learning from their environment. This ability helps them stay alert and survive in diverse habitats with many different threats.